In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use custom fields in QuickBooks Online. Custom fields are a great way to track extra information that QuickBooks doesn't include by default. They help you keep your records more organized and make it easier for your team to capture the details that matter most to your business. For example, you might want to store a serial number, assign a sales rep, or track a date connected to a transaction. Once set up correctly, these fields can appear in the right places across your workflow. To get started, go to the top right corner of QuickBooks Online and click the Settings icon. This is where you'll find many of the account-wide tools and setup options. From there, look under the Lists section and select Custom Fields. This will open the area where you can view existing fields or create new ones. If this is your first time here, the page may be empty, and that's completely normal. Next, click Add Field or Add Custom Field. This begins the setup process for a new custom field. You'll then be prompted to enter a name for the field. Make sure the name is clear and specific, since this is what you and your team will see when using it. A good name helps avoid confusion later, especially if you plan to create several custom fields. After naming the field, choose the data type. This determines what kind of information can be entered. Text and number is useful for open-ended responses like a serial number or reference code. Number limits the entry to numerals only, which is helpful when you want cleaner, more consistent data. Date gives you a calendar picker, making it easy to choose the correct date without typing it manually. Drop-down list lets you create up to 100 predefined options, which is especially useful when you want your team to choose from a controlled list, such as a sales rep or service category. Once the data type is selected, choose the category for the field. You can assign it to customer, supplier, project, or transaction, depending on where that information belongs in QuickBooks. Then check the boxes for the specific forms where you want the field to appear. This could include invoices, estimates, expenses, and other relevant forms. Be thoughtful here because showing the field only where it's needed keeps your screens cleaner and easier to use. Finally, decide whether the information should be printed or visible on forms sent to customers. This is an important setting since some internal tracking details should stay private, while other information may need to appear on customer-facing documents. When everything looks right, click Save. And that's how to use custom fields in QuickBooks Online.